Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Now we draw and coloring 2D shapes. First we draw the shape of hexagon. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the shape of hexagon. Kids, the next one is circle. The shape of circle. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the shape of circle. And the next one is pentagon. Now we draw the shape of pentagon. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is triangle. The shape of triangle. And the next one is heart. The shape of heart. The next one is star. Now we coloring 2D shapes. So kids, now we coloring 2D shapes. First we are coloring the shape of hexagon and now we are using the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using the color of black. The shape of hexagon. The next one is circle. Now we are using the color of green. Now we're mixing and using green color. The shape of circle. And the next one is pentagon. We are again using green color. Now we draw and coloring the shape of pentagon. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is triangle. The shape of triangle. So now we are using and mixing the color of yellow. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is heart. the shape of heart, and now we're using the color of red. Now we're mixing and using red color. The last one is star. Now we draw and coloring the shape of star and using blue color. Now we're using blue color. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.